Hey guys, it's Vinamr here from the Fountain Pen Guy, back with another unboxing video after a very long time. Now in this video, I am going to unbox the Gamma Popular Fountain Pen. Yes, Popular is the name of the fountain pen and it's truly a popular Indian handmade fountain pen. This fountain pen comes from the Indian manufacturer Gamma Pens, also known as the Gem & Co. This is a classic design fountain pen and has been the forerunner for Gamma since more than 3 decades. In this video, we will be having a look at the unboxing experience, the packaging contents, and the overall first impressions of the Gamma Marbled Ebonite Fountain Pen. So to start off, the pen comes in this blue colored finished velvet case and it is given by Gamma and it has the branding of Gamma on both the sides. Now this is a standard case which has been given by Gamma for all its fountain pens and they have been using different colors of the case as well. Personally, I prefer using pen cases instead of pen boxes because they are more easy to carry and portable for everyday carry fountain pen users, and that's what we get inside the case. You should only use one fountain pen inside the case instead of using 2 or 3 fountain pens because the polish of the fountain pen remains if you just use one fountain pen. Now in terms of the material which has been used, the material which has been used is marbled ebonite and that is what can be seen in this fountain pen out here. In terms of the shape, it's a flat top fountain pen shape out here. So that is for the shape, and in terms of the size in my hands, it is mediumly large size fountain pen, which is personally I prefer this to be a very good shape, which is good for small hand fountain pen users also as well as large hand fountain pen users also. It would be of course the length would definitely increase when the pen users would use it posted. So that's how the pen looks out here. Let's start with a small physical overview. So firstly, on the barrel we have this Gamma branding. The Gamma logo has been embossed out here, which is very good. It adds on to the texture of the fountain pen. And in terms of the clip, a good enough flexible clip has been used, which has been attached towards the finial on the cap. Now 2 rings have been used on the cap, so that also adds to the aesthetic and the look and the feel of the fountain pen. When we unscrew the cap, this is what we have in our hands. This is the Gamma nib. Now this nib is being given with every Gamma fountain pen, but apart from this nib you can use a Canwright nib also, or you can use a Jowo nib also. Now this is a friction fit nib which has been used by Gamma, but it's recommended by the manufacturer that you do not remove the nib because the way they have fitted it is quite proper. So if we remove the nib with bare hands, it might damage the nib and it would of course definitely damage your complete writing experience. So the nib is also available, the Gamma nib which comes with the fountain pen, the standard nib. It's available in fine, medium, broad and 1.1mm nib options. If you want, you can of course add on a Canwright or a Jowo nib which might cost extra or different compared to the regular price. The regular price of this fountain pen is rupees 800. Now this is without the GST, goods and service tax. If you add plus 18% GST, which would be 944 rupees, so it up to goes till 1000 rupees. So that is what it is. Now the threads out here can be seen. The material which has been used for the section and the barrel is similar. It is the same, and the grip is quite good. I mean, holding in the hands in terms of the diameter of the grip, it is quite good. It feels comfortable while holding in the hands, and it is like the grip is completely straight. It's not something like triangular or it is some rounded or something. It's completely straight and it's a simple kind of a grip. So moving on towards the most important and the well-known fountain pen part, which is the filling mechanism. Now Gamma since decades has been known for its eyedropper filling mechanism, and this eyedropper filling mechanism has been used in the Popular fountain pen, and it holds like up to 5 milliliters or 4 milliliters of ink capacity, which is really good. And of course you can fill any kind of an ink color that you want to, which is again very beneficial. And they are also known for their eyedropper. Why? Because it does not have the burping issues or something like that. So it is quite durable and quite reliable in terms of the writing experience, because there are no leakage or any kind of writing issues which are being faced. and you see that so many rolls have to be done while you fit the fountain pen with your ink completely. So again, that makes to the reliability of the pen, which is really good overall. So that is what we have for the physical overview of the fountain pen. That's how the Gamma Popular fountain pen is. And personally, I have got really very good impressions of this fountain pen and can't wait to use it since it's my first Gamma fountain pen, and I've heard a lot about their classical design and their contribution in the Indian fountain pen hobby. Now, to conclude, one aspect which I would like to cover in this fountain pen would be the material which has been used. So the material which has been used is the marbled ebonite. The finish has been given as a marbled ebonite. That's what Gamma calls it as. The material is quite good. Like some users out there might be thinking that the material which has been used is quite old and meant for old fountain pen enthusiasts. No, I don't think that. It is quite good, and it's a classic fountain pen design what you get from this material. The material has been well polished also and gives us a good feels while holding in the hands for a good writing experience. The grip section, the material which has been used is the same as which has been used in the body, and it is quite good for holding in the hands as a grip for a long writing experience because it's not slippery at all and it gives you comfort when you're holding the pen in the hands. So that's for the material of the pen. The finish has been very good, the polishing has been done pretty well, and of course I appreciate the handmade fountain pen manufacturing which has been done by Gamma. Now, in terms of the color options of the Gamma Popular fountain pen, this fountain pen is available in 5 different color options. Number 1 being the light brown, which I have unboxed and I will be using. Number 2 being the dark brown. Number 3 being the green. Number 4 being the matte black. Number 5 being the shiny. Now, these are the 5 different color options in which this pen is made and sold. Apart from these color options, you can also make a pen in additional pen blanks upon request. You can contact the Gamma Pens counter in Chennai personally and make these pens with the required blanks that you want upon request. Speaking about the availability of the Gamma Popular fountain pen, this fountain pen retails in India both online and offline. Online, you can buy this fountain pen from asapens.com and fountainpenindia.com. These are the 2 portals that retail the fountain pen online. Offline, you can buy this fountain pen through the personal contact of Gamma Pens. You can call upon Gamma Pens or email them or contact them personally in their counter based in Chennai. You can give them their order of the required Gamma fountain pen and they will ship it to you. Stay tuned for the review video. We'll cover more aspects about the fountain pen in the review video with the pros and the cons. So that would be up soon on the channel. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this. This is Fountain Pen Guy signing off, and I hope to see you in my next video.